You wouldn't normally think of scientific illustrations as cute, but that's one of the reasons I bought this book. These adorable little guys are freshwater polyps, more commonly known as hydra. They're tiny aquatic organisms related to the corals, anemones, and jellyfish. The hydra has an amazing ability that has fascinated scientists for nearly 300 years. They can completely regenerate when cut into pieces. The first person to report on this was the scientist Abraham Tremblay, who presented his findings to the Royal Society in January of 1743. Shortly thereafter, his colleagues Henry Baker and Martin Folkes began their own research, culminating in this volume, an attempt toward a natural history of the polyp, published by Baker later that year. It's chock full of fabulous woodcut illustrations of the animals in various postures and performing different behaviors, such as feeding on small worms and reproducing by budding off clones, another ability that greatly intrigues scientists. But my favorite illustration is this one, which shows hydra hanging out in a glass jar, just like the ones I used to put tadpoles and fireflies in when I was a kid. Another thing I like about this book is that it's unusually decorative for a scientific volume, with loads of little illustrations such as historiated initials, that's the capital letters with tiny scenes inside, and head and tail pieces, like this elaborate one depicting two putti holding parrots. If you'd like to see these illustrations in detail, or learn more about our copy of this book, visit the link in our profile.